RTD2892NND uses AI super resolution technology to restore the fidelity of low-resolution video, enhance the texture of original video, and remove the noise adaptively via AI judgment. To restore the fidelity of overcompressed video due to low bandwidth transmission or enhance the old, low-resolution video, it adopts a neural network model for super resolution, provides additional picture quality enhancements, and detects different scenes and objects via an adaptive neural network model. The innovations are powerful AI neural network model, adaptive scene and object recognition, and fidelity restoration. RTD2892NND perfectly restores the fidelity and texture of the original video for the various applications.